The global energy storm is brewing, and India has suddenly moved to the center of it. Oil, gas, energy routes, well, these are no longer just business decisions. They are becoming weapons in a global power struggle. And right now, Russia has fired a sharp accusation at the US, claiming that Washington is trying to force India to change where it buys its oil. Now, this is not just a diplomatic disagreement. This is a battle over who controls the world's energy future. Here's Russia's explosive claim against Washington. Russia's foreign minister, Sergei Lavrov, he has openly accused the Trump administration of using economic pressure to block countries from buying Russian oil. According to Moscow, the United States is using tools like sanctions, tariff, trade restrictions, pressure on global partners. Well, Lavrov claims that these moves are not about security. He says they are about economic domination. But you know why Russian oil is so important to India? Let's pause there. Because this is where the story becomes deeply connected to India. India is one of the world's fastest growing economies. Factories are expanding, transport networks are increasing, industries are consuming massive energy every single day. And here's the reality: India imports most of its oil. That's right. Cheaper oil directly affects the fuel price, and fuel price influence the inflation, transportation, and everyday living cost. Basically, this means that oil deals are not just foreign policy, they directly impact the Indian household. Then comes Russian warning. America is blocking affordable energy. Lavrov claims that Washington is trying to stop India and other developing countries from buying what he calls cheap and reliable Russian energy. Instead, Russia alleges that the US wants nation to purchase American liquefied natural gas, which Moscow claims that it's far more expensive. According to Russia, this is not fair competition. They call it economic pressure. Well, Lavrov also revealed something surprising here, ladies and gentlemen. He claimed that Russia had earlier accepted a proposal from the US regarding the Ukraine conflict during the high-level talks. According to Moscow, that acceptance was supposed to open the door for wider cooperation here, but Russia now says the opposite happened. Instead of improved relationship, they claim new sanctions followed and global restriction increased. Then there is tanker war as well. Russia is also accusing Western powers of targeting the Russian oil shipments at the sea. Lavrov described it as a silent maritime confrontation where oil tankers face tracking, restrictions, and enforcement operations. In fact, Moscow claims that such actions violate international maritime law. Now, if that is true, then this suggests that the energy conflict is not just economic anymore. It is moving into global shipping route. Then comes India's perspective. While global powers exchange accusation, India is walking a very careful path. New Delhi has made one thing crystal clear: India will make energy decisions based on their national interest. Availability of supply matters, fair pricing matters, reliability matters. India has repeatedly reminded the world that it is a developing economy and stable, affordable energy is very important for its growth. Also, if we talk about energy, then oil and gas do not just fuel vehicles. They power the industry, they influence the food prices, and they shape the global inflation as well. Who controls energy supply often controls the economic stability across continents. And this is why major global powers are fearlessly competing to dominate the energy market. In the end, it's a bigger political game. Russia believes that the US is trying to reshape the global energy trade to strengthen its economic influence. On the other hand, the US has very consistently argued that sanctions are necessary for security and geopolitical stability. Between these two very powerful narratives, countries like India, China, Brazil, Indonesia are balancing the economic survival with diplomatic pressure. Well, India is not just an energy buyer anymore. No, we are not. India is one of the most important energy consumers in the world. Every single decision New Delhi takes today, it can influence the global oil markets, diplomatic alliances, and geopolitical strategies.